Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to plant Thuja Green Giant trees. First, select an ideal location for your new trees. They thrive best with at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Good drainage is crucial to prevent root issues, so avoid soggy areas. It's also wise to test your soil's pH. These trees prefer a slightly acidic to neutral range, specifically from 6.0 to 7.0. Finally, ensure the planting area is clear of any weeds or debris before you begin. Next, prepare the planting hole. Dig it 2 to 3 times wider than the tree's root ball, but only as deep as the root ball's height. This ensures the roots have ample space to spread without being buried too deeply. Carefully remove the Thuja Green Giant from its container, gently loosening any roots that might be circling. Position the tree in the center of the hole, making sure the top of the root ball is perfectly level with the surrounding ground. Now it's time to backfill the hole. Use the original soil, gently tamping it down to eliminate any large air pockets around the roots. Create a small soil berm or raised ring around the edge of the planting area. This helps retain water. Immediately after planting, water the tree thoroughly until the entire root ball is saturated. Finish by applying a 2 to 3 inch layer of organic mulch, keeping it a few inches away from the tree's trunk. For ongoing care, consistent watering is key, especially during the first growing season. Check the soil moisture by feeling a few inches down, water when it feels dry. If needed, a balanced, slow-release fertilizer can be applied in the spring. Pruning is generally minimal for Thuja Green Giants. Focus on removing any dead, damaged, or crossing branches to maintain their natural shape and health. With proper care, your trees will flourish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.